Baltimore is known for its beautiful historic neighborhoods, charming row houses, and older homes with character you simply can't replicate. While these properties offer timeless appeal, they also present unique challenges, especially when it comes to window installation. Older Baltimore homes weren't built with modern window standards in mind, and without the right expertise, installation issues can affect comfort, efficiency, and long-term performance. Understanding these challenges helps homeowners prepare for a smoother window upgrade and better results. Non-standard window openings. One of the most common challenges in older Baltimore homes is non-standard window sizing. Over decades of settling, renovations, or structural changes, window openings may no longer be perfectly square or uniform. This can lead to gaps between the window and frame, difficulty achieving a tight seal, alignment issues that affect operation. Professional installers account for these irregularities by carefully measuring each opening and adjusting installation methods to ensure a proper fit. Settling and structural shifts over time. Many older Baltimore homes have experienced natural settling over the years. While this is normal, it can complicate window installation. Settling may cause frames to be slightly tilted or uneven, pressure points that affect window operation, challenges with leveling and squaring new windows. Experienced installers know how to compensate for these shifts using proper shimming and support techniques. Aging or deteriorated framing materials. Older homes often have wood framing that has been exposed to moisture, temperature changes, or pests over time. Rot, cracking, or weakened framing can make window installation more complex. Potential issues include unstable surfaces for securing new windows, hidden damage behind trim or siding. Additional repair work before installation can proceed. Addressing framing issues is essential to ensure new windows perform properly and last. Moisture management and water intrusion risks. Baltimore's climate includes humidity and frequent rainfall, which can be especially problematic for older homes without modern moisture barriers. Improper installation can lead to water leaks around the window, mold or mildew inside walls, damage to interior finishes. Professional window installation includes proper flashing and sealing to manage moisture and protect the home's structure. Preserving historic character and appearance. Many Baltimore homeowners want to maintain the historic charm of their homes while upgrading window performance. This can be a delicate balance. Challenges include matching original window styles or proportions, integrating modern windows without altering the facade, complying with neighborhood or historic district guidelines. Skilled installers help homeowners choose windows that enhance efficiency while respecting architectural integrity. Outdated insulation around window openings. Older homes often lack proper insulation around window frames, allowing drafts and energy loss even after new windows are installed. Without proper insulation, cold air enters during winter, hot, humid air infiltrates during summer, energy bills remain higher than expected. Professional installers add insulation during installation to maximize comfort and efficiency. Lead paint and safety considerations. Homes built before the late 1970s may contain lead-based paint around window frames. Window installation must be handled carefully to avoid health risks. Professionals follow safety practices that minimize dust and debris, protect occupants during installation, comply with lead-safe guidelines. This ensures a safer environment for families. Integration with existing trim and masonry. Older Baltimore homes often feature brick exteriors, plaster walls, and detailed trim work. Installing new windows without damaging these features requires precision. Challenges include working with masonry openings, preserving interior trim and finishes, ensuring clean transitions between old and new materials. Experienced installers plan carefully to protect original features. Why professional installation matters. Because of these challenges, professional window installation is especially important in older Baltimore homes. Expert installers anticipate structural and material issues, customize installation methods, ensure energy efficiency, durability, and proper sealing, turning challenges into successful upgrades. While window installation in older Baltimore homes presents unique challenges, The right approach makes all the difference. With careful planning, expert installation, and respect for the home's character, new windows can dramatically improve comfort, efficiency, and appearance. For Baltimore homeowners, working with professionals who understand older construction ensures that window upgrades enhance the home, without compromising its history or performance.